Today's topic is very important one, that is gonorrhea, a common sexual transmitted infection. Let's talk how it spread, signs and symptoms, how we can treat it, and prevention. First of all, what is gonorrhea? This is a sexual transmitted infection caused by a bacteria called Neisseria gonorrhea. It infects both women and men, infecting genitals, rectum, and throat. After that, we are going to see how it spread, how gonorrhea spread. How gonorrhea spread? These are the ways through which gonorrhea spread. We have unprotected vaginal, anal, and oral sex. We have mother to child during childbirth. It cannot spread through sharing toilets, through sharing towels, or casual contact. Let's look at signs and symptoms of gonorrhea. Some people may not show signs and symptoms, but if they show, signs and symptoms include, so we have in women, number one, we have pain during urination, we have bleeding between periods, then finally we have increased discharge. In men, we have pain while urinating, we have green, yellow, white discharge from the penis, pain, swell in one testicle. Then finally we have, also they feel pain while urinating. Then we have in both sexes, there is itchiness, discharge, and pain. They both feel that, pain in rectum. So those are the signs and symptoms of gonorrhea. That if the signs shows up. So if signs and symptoms shows up, those are the signs and symptoms, guys. Complications if untreated, we have infertility in both women and men, pelvic inflammatory disease, PID, that is in women. We have increased risk of HIV infections. We have infections in blood and joints, causing serious condition. So these are the complications if you don't treat gonorrhea. So these will be the complications for that. So you should treat gonorrhea very fast before you experience such complications, guys. So yes, then we are going to see how we diagnose the gonorrhea. Let's look at diagnosis and treatment of gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is diagnosed through urine test or swab. Then use antibiotic to treat gonorrhea. Guys, I advise you to use this medicine called Triokit. Triokit is a very nice medicine for gonorrhea. It works very fast. It is effective for gonorrhea. So if you have gonorrhea, use Triokit. It will really help you. It will really change the condition very fast, and it will heal the condition. So guys, if you go through the test, urination test, and find out that you have gonorrhea, just simply use Triokit. It will really help you. You just use it once. Yes, it is a combination. Important, some strains are becoming resistant, so use full course exactly as prescribed. So just use full course exactly as per prescribed. Just use prescription very well as prescribed, guys. Yes, because Some are resistant, some strains are resistant. So if you use dosage very well, you finish the dose, you will be okay. Prevention tips. Make sure you use condoms correctly every time you have sex. That's why I'm telling you to use quality condoms. Use condoms correctly. Make sure that the condom doesn't burst and it is tight. That is how you should use it correctly, and quality condoms. Get regular tests when you are sexually active. Make sure your partner gets tested and treated well. Avoid sexual activities until treatment is complete. Those are the only best ways and tips to prevent gonorrhea. Every time you have sex, use trust correctly. Make sure you use trust. So, I've told you the tips of prevention. Finally, gonorrhea is preventable, treatable. Don't be afraid to talk about it, test for it, and treat it. If you found these videos helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more health tips. Yes, guys. See you in the next episode, guys. Bye.